G'day everyone, I'm David and this is my Tabletop Standard, and today we're looking at Rise of the Black Panther, expansion from Marvel United. Despite their technological supremacy and widespread prosperity, the Kingdom of Wakanda finds itself embroiled in a struggle as old as time itself, a battle for the throne. Eric Killmonger's oath of vengeance against the Wakandan king's bloodline has fallen on T'Challa, the current Black Panther. Not content to simply eliminate the Black Panther and his allies, Killmonger wishes to seize Wakanda for himself. To that end, he seeks to radicalize the population against their king, smuggling weapons and mercenaries into the country in preparation for a vast uprising that would place Killmonger on the throne. But the Black Panther has allies in the form of Princess Shuri and the Winter Soldier. Shuri's weapons and gadgets can turn the tide of any battle, and no one knows more about fighting a subversive campaign than the Winter Soldier. Yet, even this formidable trio will be hard-pressed to prevent Killmonger's master plan. As the war for the heart of Wakanda unfolds, only the most skilled and most daring will rise in defense of the throne. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the music, check out Gabriel's channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe to it. And until next time, I'll see you later.